Hello everyone, today I will introduce our sauna lampshade to you. This is the sauna lampshade. There are many appearances of our sauna lamp shades for you to choose from. We can make your favorite wood to customize your exclusive. You can see that our sauna lampshade has a lot of selectivity. You can see that the wood used in our sauna lampshade is also quite beautiful and strong. And we also use high-quality wood. Now I have this sauna lampshade in my hand. Its color is different from the previous one, and its appearance is also.
Hi, this is Tina from Alphasauna. Now let me introduce the sauna bucket for you. Also, the bucket can be made out of many materials, such as yellow pine, red cedar, and stainless steel, and many so on. There are so many types for the option. As you can see, the surface of it is very smooth and delicate because it is polished by a special process 3 times. Sauna bucket can not only decorate your sauna warm with flow, but also can provide a kind of warm feeling in your resting time. What's more,